What up, y'all? Romer the Romer here. In this video, I'm going to go over how to make money getting books from libraries and thrift stores. But let me tell you, I traveled the country living in this car, and I paid for my whole trip for 3 months. This is voluntary. I was voluntarily homeless for 3 months. I traveled the whole country, and I paid for my trip by getting books and shipping them to Amazon. Now, when you go to these libraries and thrift stores, what you do is you use an app to find the profitable books, and then you send them to Amazon, and Amazon essentially sells them for you. That's really how it works. It's called fulfillment by Amazon. So I was living in my car, and in order to pay for my groceries, what I would do, because I didn't have to pay for a place to stay, sometimes I would crash on friends' couches. I got to see the whole country. It's pretty dope. Go back and check out my first YouTube video ever to see that. I keep showing back there because that's where my bed was, and I still never put my seats back in ever since then. I took out this seat as well. But anyway, I'm at this library here in Nashville. Follow me in, and I'm gonna show you how I use this app to make some cash, baby. Peace out. Side note, whenever you're going to libraries, make sure that you bring cash. Also, make sure that you open up Google Sheets and document how much cash you spent, because that's a tax write-off at the end of the year, and a lot of times it won't give you receipts. So just remember that. So you can see here now I'm in the library, and I like to start with nonfiction books. This is a nonfiction section. There's some fiction scattered in. This is all the fiction books. I'll go to that last, but also there's some DVDs here, so I'm gonna check those out as well. So what this app is doing is it's comparing to Amazon's data, and then it's determining based on the price of the book, can you make a profit? If you bought this book from the library and sent it to Amazon, could you make a profit on this book? So it turns red if you can't make a profit, and it turns green if you can make a profit. Now I'm about to break down these analytics. You guys see all types of numbers here. I'm gonna take a screenshot of one of these books. Right now I'm just exploring the options. Actually, no, right now I'm in the library scanning, and it was they have audio cues, and it was so loud that the librarian started looking at me, so I had to turn it off. So make sure you turn the audio off if you don't have headphones. Okay, now I'm gonna scan a couple more books. I think I find a good one in a second. So the name of the game is just scan books, guys. Scan as many fucking books as you can. Get after it. Here we go. This has got to be the winner. Oh, no. Wait for it, guys. I swear I found a good one. Nope. Negative 55 cents profit. Hold on. Boom, baby. That's it. Oh, nope. Not. I lied. Uh-oh. No results found. Sometimes that'll happen. That means I scanned the wrong barcode. There we go, baby. Look at that, $5 profit. Now I'm gonna break down these analytics for you guys. Okay, so if we look in the top left, you see $128 profit. So that's projected profit. That's obviously, you're not gonna make that cash immediately, but this app, after calculating all the Amazon fees, the sales price, everything, that's how much you can make on the book. Now below that, below the profit in the top left, you see sales rank. Sales rank is how often does the book sell on Amazon? So the number one ranked book is the best selling book on Amazon. So if it has a sales rank of 1, that is the best book on Amazon. If it has a sales rank of 1 million, that's not great, but it's not terrible. 1 million sells about 12 times a year, according to what my mentor told me. And then if when you're approaching 5 or 6 million, that's when you get in the rough territory, and you have to use other apps to really get data on whether or not the book sells. Now to the right of rank, we see eScore. That's how many times the book had at least one day with sales in the last 6 months. So 151 plus, it's had a sale at least every day. And then below we see a bunch of prices. These are the various prices in order. I have videos that really break down these analytics. I'll link them at the end of this video. I really talk about what these different columns mean, and a lot of resellers leave books that they shouldn't on the shelves just because these third-party apps are limited on what data they can really see. So these apps are great for making quick decisions, but at the end of the day, they don't give you everything because Amazon's API limits them to the lowest 15 prices. So because we can only see the lowest 15 prices, we can't always make intelligent decisions as prime sellers. So you can also see the new buy box. You can see if Amazon's on the listing, bottom right, that means Amazon's selling the book as well. Now, this book's actually commonly restricted. So I always use this book as an example, but this book's actually been going up in price, which is not normal for textbooks to go up in price as the years go on. But this book has been increasing in price, especially during the off season. We're not seeing as big of tanks because people are hopping off the listings. People aren't hopping off the listings. They're actually getting kicked off. Amazon's restricting people left and right on these types of books because the law firms that are working for these publishing companies are doing test orders from people, and they're saying a bunch of resellers have counterfeit books. Once you get a counterfeit claim, you're done. You cannot sell on Amazon, or you cannot sell these books on Amazon anymore. I actually started a service to combat this. It's called restrictedinventory.com, where we sell your textbooks at a 50-50 split net profit. Okay, outside this coffee shop, haven't even had any coffee yet. Actually gave up coffee for December, but yeah, so that's my service. Also, if you guys see in the bottom right hand corner, that's the Amazon link. That link is probably the most important out of all the links at the bottom. You're going to want to click on that when you're on the fence about making a decision. And like I said in other videos, at the end of this video, there's going to be a video that really goes in depth in how to read Scout IQ. But for now, I'm just showing you guys that this app is super fucking cool. Hope you guys enjoyed that video of me going to that library, crushing it, making the profits. This took like 10 minutes, guys. And this is probably, I don't know, $30, $50 profit. I mean, whenever you see profit on Scout IQ, always assume you're going to make 75% of that because prices tank. So don't be overly optimistic. That's something I wish I would have known starting out. But for those of you that want to get started selling books that are currently not selling books, this is for people that are just watching this video, brand spanking new. They don't know what the hell book selling is on Amazon. There's a giveaway. So one of my mentors, two of my mentors actually, Caleb Roth and Reezy. Reezy recently interviewed Gary Vaynerchuk. He interviewed Gary Vaynerchuk. Isn't that fucking crazy? He sat down with them and then he presented a little box from Scout IQ, and it's going to be a giveaway for 100 Opticon scanners along with a 3-month subscription to Scout IQ for free and AccelerList for 3 months as well, which is a listing software I use, and access to the Book Selling University, which is a book selling course by my mentor, Caleb Roth. Super, super smart guy. He's taught me everything I know about books. I owe that guy a lot. And he actually inspired me to live in my car too. He did a 3-month trip and blogged about it. Blogged? That sounds so weird. I never said that word. I say vlogged so much. I never say blogged. He blogged about it though. He wrote about it. And I was like, you know what? He did like a 3-day trip to Oklahoma or something. And he made, I don't know, he like broke down his numbers and made like $1,500 profit, hitting up thrift stores the whole way. I did a 3-month trip living in my car after seeing that because I was like, oh shit. You know, I'm low maintenance. I'm a minimalist. I'm a millennial minimalist. And yeah, I lived in my car for 3 months, travel the country. Anyway, below there's gonna be 2 links. One, just if you guys are watching this and it's too late, it's after Friday, there's gonna be a link to Scout IQ if you guys want to use that. It is my affiliate link. I do get a kickback. Obviously, that's why a lot of us make videos, is to spread awareness and get affiliate income. Also, I just like talking. I just like hearing myself, guys. That's really the truth of it. And plus, I make a lot of connections with you guys. Once I post these videos, you guys are going to thank me for making you money. And then I'm walking down the street one day. Actually, side note, I got recognized here. I'm a big deal. I'm at this coffee shop downtown Nashville. I was doing a textbook buyback. I got recognized here as Romer the Roamer. My real name's Avery. Someone was like, are you Romer? And I was like, oh, I am Romer. What's going on? And I didn't make any money from the textbook buyback, but I got recognized as Romer the Roamer. So I was like, maybe this has potential, my Romer brand. So that's why I'm building it. Anyway, guys, 2 links below. There's actually be like 100 links. All my affiliate links are down there. But 2 important links, I'll put them at the top. One for that 100 scanner giveaway, along with all the softwares included in the book selling course. And another for Scout IQ. Peace out, family. Much love. Catch you next time.